So students, I am explaining you the second part of this chapter. Listen to it very carefully. After the first part, what happened the second part? Now the blind man has grabbed the young man very tightly in its iron fist. And he is telling him, please take me straight away to your captain. And if you resist, blind man is telling to the boy, I will chop your arms and it will be not good for you. And when you will reach your captain, you have to say, because since the blind man is blind, that here is a gift for you. Here is a friend for you, Bill. The Bill is the name of the captain. So that young boy took that blind man to the parlor, opened the door, and what the blind man told him to say, he told that here is a friend for you, Bill. Now what happened when the captain saw the blind man? He was totally shocked. He was mortified. There was no terror but mortal sickness. He tried to move but cannot move. The captain, why? Because he was physically very weak. And then the blind man told, don't move, Bill. I can hear your finger stirring. Means your finger is moving. Then he instructed the young boy to take his left hand of the captain into your left hand and give it to my right hand. So he took it. And he took his palm and there was one particular note he gave it. And all of a sudden, he went off. Who went off? The blind man with great energy, ferocity, nimbleness. Nimbleness means very fastly he went on. And then the captain was mortally terrified, because even the captain or the young man has never seen such a cruel or powerful person in his life. And the captain was virtually shocked what to do. And then the captain saw there was a card. There was a big card with big black spot on the one side. There was a card with big black spot on the one side. It was written on the big black spot on the one side. That's big black spot on the one side was written disposition or death. Means either you will be taken away from your position or you will be killed, which is very much feared by the pirates. Who are now pirates? Pirates are the goons, the people who with their firearms, with their aggression or with their fighting, take the sea goods. Like you can see now the goons or the ruffians we have on land, the pirates in the same way are on the sea. So after that, what happened? The bill, and on the other side of the black spot was there, which was feared by the pirates. It was written either you will disposition or you will be killed. On the other side of the card, there was a warning to the captain that you have only 10 o'clock time. Up to 10 o'clock time you have left. And the suddenly captain says it's already 6 o'clock. So all of a sudden the captain stood up, took his hand near his neck and reeled it like this. And all of a sudden he fell onto the ground straight away. Before the young boy can ring his mother, called his mother, what happened? Apoplectic attack means the inability to move. Apoplexy attack had occurred to the captain and he had died. And the young boy now had never liked the captain, but now this time he was feeling very sorry for the captain. And when the captain had been killed or he died, the tears started rolling down on the young boy. And this was the second death in his house. First death was of his father, of which memory was still fresh in his mind. So this is the basic summary of the chapter. In the two parts I have explained. If you have any doubts, any query, you can call me, text me. Don't forget to ask me any question, any query. Thank you very much. So this is the, you can see the full part of the second part, which you can also write down in your notebook also. Thank you.